Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today I have a video for you all that I said I was going to deliver, and it is finally here. I have a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrods, as you guys can see, and I'm going to be showing you all them in hand. I'll be trying them on, just everything about them. If you all did cop them off the sneakers release, this is what they look like. So if you want to hold the shoe, or if you want to wear it. And the idea of holding the shoe, well, I'll tell you this. Remember how I mentioned that this one would probably rise after the sneakers release? Well, it's doing that right now. There wasn't as many pairs as people thought, and yeah, now the prices are going up on those. So expect these to be more expensive in the future. Your time to buy is now. Trust me, your time to buy these is now, or when they land again from the sneakers release. But I feel like once they land from the sneakers release, they'll be up like another 20 bucks. Like, I feel like these are going to be rising every day. But it doesn't matter if you're just buying this one to wear, you got it for retail. Whatever. So subscribe and like for more TryOn videos, how-to cop videos, sneaker investment videos, anything to help you make some money to get some shoes, or make money off shoes, or just get some pairs. We do that here. That's a general goal. So let's try and hit 200 likes. I haven't put a like goal in a while, so let's get this. So first things first, about the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod. I got a size 9, by the way. I probably will be able to fit this pretty fine, but you know, I'm usually a 9.5, 10, but I have a couple Jordan 4s and 9s, so this should fit me pretty fine. I know most dunks are usually true to size, but looking at the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod right here, I want to show you all this. People calling this the Pollen Jordan 1 Low, but basically, or not the, geez, that's a terrible way to start off the video right there. People calling these the Pollen Jordan 1 basically in dunk low form. I mean, yes, this couldn't get more accurate. I remember I caught on to that saying, someone was saying in my comment sections, they were like, hey man, you copping the Pollen dunks? And I was like, what are you talking about? I see the Goldenrods, and I was like, oh, and you know, it made more sense to me. You got the yellow sole with it too, and it matches perfectly. They actually, thank you to Nike for doing this. I really, really like when I see a dunk like this, where the yellow here matches exactly with the yellow here. It's like the exact same. They nailed it. The colors are the exact same. It's not like off. Like if there was like 2 different shades of yellow, the shoe would probably, you know, not look the best. I'm gonna be real, but they nailed it with this design. Overall, the quality looks pretty fine too. I'm not seeing like any like issues. Really, just a couple. You know, with like the stitching, like here, that could have just come from shipping too. You know, since this pair did come from LA. I think I shouted him out at the start. If I didn't, then shout out to JJ to plug. He'll be linked down below. I might pin a comment with it too. He helped me. You know, he was actually the one I bought this pair from. So thank you to him for giving me a good deal on these. I really appreciate that. And, you know, I shouted him out in my Instagram story. Hopefully you saw that. But, yeah, aside from that, shout out him. He got me these. But yeah, a couple more details about the Goldenrods on the inside of the shoe. I will get to trying these on, but on the inside of the shoe, you can see it's, again, just kind of that orange, typical Nike swoosh that you got there. And then in the back right here, I like this. They got the black letter, not yellow, you know, because usually they do whatever colors right here. They'll match the, you know, embroidered Nike with the color that they have layered here. But as you guys can see, they switched it up and did the color right here. So it's, you know, kind of that black and yellow theme, you know, little Wiz Khalifa, you feel me? But yeah, not really, but you're kind of Bumblebee, you know, from Transformers. Alright, I'm gonna stop making corny jokes for y'all, click off the video. So, aside from that, those basic details, I'm very happy to have this pair. I'm excited to have this pair. I've never owned a pair of Dunk Lows, so I'm kind of a fan of these, but I have to think about how I'm going to wear these. And keep in mind, for this TryOn video, I'm not going to be styling an outfit for it. But if y'all want me to start making videos again where I style specific sneakers to outfits, let me know. I can try and do that in the future. But yeah, overall, clean pair. These are definitely going to be going up. I mean, I was very surprised when I saw these a men's Dunk Low, like a men's sizing Dunk Low at an under $150 price point. When I saw that, I was like, well, that's not lasting long. No way. So, yeah, that was just, it's inevitable that this will eventually be $200, $250 one day, and I love this one. I'm keeping it in the collection. So, let's get into trying this one on, all the details of it, because it's a very clean pair. There's no denying that. And hopefully these won't crease too fast. The black toe box too. Again, the yellow laces with the black toe box. Look at that. Like, it's again, one of those color blocking styles where you got it here, just 2 colors. I've talked about that in videos before. Look at that. I'll just kind of let y'all look at it, take it in for a bit. Pretty good. So, let's get into the TryOn portion. Oh, also, no, I never gave y'all like an upward angle of the shoe, so let me do this for you guys. Here's like an upward angle of the shoe, like how they look. It's pretty clean. Overall, I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it. You could definitely, something could be pulled, you could pull off something really clean with these. It's an easy to wear pair. You know it's going to be worth more. Pollen colorway. That's what people are calling it. You know, I've never actually worn a pair of Dunk Lows before, but first thing I can say is they feel stiff. I've heard a lot of people say Dunk Lows are uncomfortable. Let's discover that. Yeah, bro, first impression of these going on my feet, bro, these are skating shoes. They're like stiff, hard shoes that you're like supposed to beat up. These are not like, I probably got to break them in. Let's be real. Like it sounds like a rock. Not really. A rock was, it's not an accurate way to put it. Like a book. Okay, so my first impression on these, again, dunk lows are probably a little bit uncomfortable, but I'll take these outside, show you all a couple angles on these in a second, but y'all can see these are very, very clean on foot. I'm not obviously rocking these with anything too fancy. This is just some Nike sweatpants, but I'm a huge fan of these. I like how they look. This is something simple, easy to wear. I mean, honestly, I would not mind just wearing these around if they got a bit dirty. I mean, I could probably just clean them up, but, you know, obviously just wear your shoes. It doesn't really matter how they get treated unless, you know, I mean, you spend money on them, so you want to keep them nice. That all makes sense, but y'all can see I'm loving this coordination. Like, y'all can see what I mean by this yellow is the same as this yellow. Thank you, Nike. You figured it out here, because I remember there's a couple dunk lows before where I was like, my issue with them, I was being probably just a little bit picky, honestly, but yeah, they nailed that. I'm loving how these ones look. And the goldenrods, I know I've been calling them the pollen dunk lows, but I just, goldenrod don't really make sense to me. Like, I'm gonna call these, I know it's part of the championship dunk pack, but you know what I'm saying. They very, very clean though. But yeah, look at these outside, man. Even shining off the light a little bit. You can see these already naturally creasing, as I mentioned. I'll definitely shout out to Mike Check YT. I appreciate him. He told me, yo, Tristan, you should get some crease protectors for your dunk lows and ones. And I couldn't agree more, bro. That is just like a straight fact, because I'm very well known for creasing my shoes because I wear them. I feel like everybody else though is well known for that too. I'm nobody special. I don't have any balance, so I'm not going to try that again. But y'all get the gist of it. I've showed you them enough on my feet. I don't really feel like I need to do any other angles. These boys right here, keeping these for sure. And right here, I'll try to get the balance with the light a little bit. They glow, literally glow a little bit. Perfect fall, winter shoe. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, that's everything right there. Again, shout out to my guy, JJ the Plug, who will be linked down below. He was able to get me these. And this is a fresh pair of shoes for fall. Yes. This is the way to go. I'm not even a fan of dunk lows, but I might be obligated. The camera wasn't even pointing at me a second ago, but I might feel obligated to start hopping on the wave. If some people don't with me for that, I understand. But yeah, you know, just for TryOn videos. Again, if I'm collecting pairs, I might only wear this like once, twice, you know, we'll see. But subscribe, like for more. Not $200. 200 likes. That's the goal in this video. Y'all can tell your boys a little bit tired. I need to get some breakfast or lunch or something in me. I've not ate much today because I've been focused on making this video and doing a couple other things. So that's it. Tristan, thank y'all for watching. Everything's down below. And leave your thoughts on the shoe down below. If you copped it, are you holding it, wearing it? Let me know. Leave that down below. I'll be there to answer it and respond to you. So I'm Tristan, and thanks. Peace.